Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Gold is so rare that the world produces more steel in 1 hour than it has mined gold throughout all of recorded history. Brazil's sky turns into a spider's web, just thousands of spiders floating in the air. Man wakes up speaking a language he never learned after mild head injury. Morocco was the first country to publicly acknowledge US independence in 1777, while France was the first to officially recognize it in 1778. 45% of women between the ages of 25 and 44 to be single and childless by 2030, sources Morgan Stanley study. Study shows that people who wake up early in the morning waste more time than those who wake up late. A bar of soap that gets sad as it approaches its demise. Samsung Galaxy flip phone advertisement at a bus stop in Belgium. A unique mantis crayfish. Despite its cute appearance, this marine predator is very insidious. The mantis crayfish is capable of striking with its claws with the force of a .22 caliber bullet. Anti-pollution sign by a lake in Evergreen, Colorado. In winter, serotonin levels drop, which causes drops in mood. Convenient, simple storage. The strongest animal jaw belongs to the giant water bug and exerts pressure equivalent to the weight of 1000 kg. Machine that dispenses a random book for $2. Sony TV8 301 portable television set, Japan 1960. 1 in 4 adults suspect undiagnosed ADHD due to over social media influence. Study says youth more likely to believe they have ADHD than older generation. Your nails are indicators of your health. A healthy nail is smooth, strong, and free of white spots. There are roughly 1 million cases in the world. Germany holds the most, 25,000 of them to be exact. All cosmetics have an expiration date, and using them beyond this time can prove to be harmful for your skin. Eating roasted beetroot eliminates the problem of shortness of breath. South Korea is the first country to have replaced 10% of its workforce with robots to tackle its shrinking population caused by low birth rates. Baby elephant in the water for the first time in his life. The name Shakira is Arabic and means grateful. New study says achieving the American dream now costs $4.4 million. Lipton tea was founded in Sri Lanka. Grandmother of 12 breaks Guinness World Record by doing 1,575 push-ups in an hour. Cheating on your spouse is no longer a crime in New York. You can now freely cheat on your spouse without fear of prosecution after 117 years. Titanium gets different colors with different voltages. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, double the Celsius number and add 28. Castaway depots are huts placed on isolated islands containing supplies and tools for castaways or shipwreck victims. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the New Zealand government built a string of these huts on its sub-Antarctic islands. Mimosa show sensitivity to touch. This phenomenon is scientifically known as seismonostic movement. It is a result of quick drop in turgor pressure in the cells at the base of the leaflets. Flaccid cells cannot support the weight of the leaflet and they start to close. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day was popularized as a marketing slogan in the early 20th century to promote cereal. However, no definitive scientific evidence proves this as its benefits depend on individual health, lifestyle and diet. The plague in Prague has been rubbed to a shiny gold because for centuries passers-by have touched the dog for good luck and to reassure him that he is a very good boy. In 1916, Adeline and Augusta Van Buren became the first women to travel across the US on two solo motorcycles. They made it despite being arrested for wearing pants. How to practice for an interview. Research the company. Looking up the basics of the company is still worthwhile. Look up common interview questions. There are few basic questions that you will almost certainly be asked. These include staples like tell me about yourself, what are your biggest strengths and weaknesses. Rehearse your answers. Interviewers are not just asking this question to be nice, it serves as somewhat of litmus test for whether or not you have done your research. Come up with your own questions. Thanks for watching.